Hi everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports Distributors, and today we're taking a look at this 2020 BMW R9T Scrambler. We'll be going through the listing on our website, which you can check out yourself by following the link in the description or going to nationalpowersports.net and searching the item ID in the top left corner. This 2020 BMW R9T Scrambler with 17,869 miles runs well. It comes equipped with ABS and has been upgraded with an engine guard, windscreen, CRG levers, bar end mirrors, integrated rear turn signals, aftermarket front turn signals, an NRC plate bracket, and a rear fender eliminator kit. Powered by an 1170cc two-cylinder engine, the R9T puts 110 horsepower and 86 foot-pounds of torque through a 6-speed transmission. With a 4.8-gallon fuel capacity, the R9T has a 120 to 150 mile range. It has a 33.5-inch seat height and a 487-pound wet weight. To pass New Hampshire State inspection, this R9T will need turn signals with sufficient visibility and a DoD-compliant plate mount. As mentioned above, this bike does not pass New Hampshire State inspection. We measured this bike's charging output at 14 volts and both tires at 5:30 seconds. We took this bike for a test ride and found that it runs rides and shifts well. We've posted the service repair order for this bike so you can see the parts and labor we invested in it when we put it through the shop. Because of this bike's age and mileage, we point out everything we consider above normal wear. There are scratches on the engine guard and a dent and a blemish on the fuel tank. This bike has one key, a clear title, and we have purchased the CycleCheck's vehicle history report. This bike has been through our premium program. It received an inspection, service, repairs, detail, and comes with a comprehensive warranty for the first 30 days or 1,000 miles, and continued powertrain warranty for a total of 90 days or 3,000 miles. For additional program details, please review the program and warranty section in the listing. Additional warranty coverage is also available. We offer nationwide shipping and financing, and we're always interested in trades.
At National Powersports, you can find hundreds of pre-owned motorcycles and powersport vehicles, all with full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports. Work with a team where nobody's on commission, and shop from the comfort of your own home with our nationwide shipping and financing. Come visit us today at our Pembroke, New Hampshire, or Coxsackie, New York locations, or online at nationalpowersports.net.